Hey, this is Ben Goodman with Cinco Roofing here at 7073 South Robb Street doing a post inspection on this roof, and you called us out about a leak going into the garage due to these pipes. You can see this is what they looked like before, and I've actually got a video of what the crew did. They actually put some sealant around there, making sure everything's sealed up, making sure you don't see any leaks coming in, but the front pipe was a whole lot easier to get to today. You can see it was just falling apart before, but the crew rewrapped it and put some granules down to make sure that you can't actually see the sealant going around everything. So taking a look at everything, in my professional opinion, you shouldn't see any leaks going on into the future. And I just want to thank you all for trusting us with your home, and we look forward to working with you again in years to come and being your roofer for life.